किशोरबाई cannot. Huh? Okay. Thank you very much, my dear all members, all Central Committee members, all General Secretaries. I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much, and believe me, I will work as per your expectation. I know I am only 33 years old. I know my experience in the bank is only for 11 years, but you have given me a very great responsibility, very huge responsibility. It is running an association which has 11,800 members, and this 11,800 members should become 20,000 at least, and every member from SC/ST has to know about our association, has to be a member of our association. I am sure, and I am giving a call to all my general secretaries of every zone. This is the day. This is my first call. We are all supposed to make minimum 20,000 membership. Are you all with me? Are you all with me? We are doing 20,000 membership. Yes, this is my first call. This is my first challenge. This is first one, and the second is, yes, our association is 46 years old. Yes, we have a very big, grand history, and now we have to get the history repeated, and it is our responsibility and duty to change our nature as per the change happening contemporarily. So we are supposed to adapt to the digitalization. Our association should also have a vision in digital platforms. This is my commitment to you. In the tenure I have, I will see that the association will be digitalized. Every member will be reaching their respective general secretaries, or to me as a national representative, or to all the national representatives. Every member should be able to reach directly through digital modes. This is my second agenda. Once I become, after maybe there is a oath ceremony, after I take charge as a Secretary General. And I promise you one more thing. It is not last. I have very big list. I have been working very closely with our central members. This is not last. But if I keep telling what has to be done, we should have to skip our dinner. That is the reason I am keeping it short to the last point. That is, I am here today standing in front of all of you. I am promising you, I am here with you, and I will be here with you, and I will be taking every one of us together. It is not Kishore, but it is All India Bank of Baroda SC/ST Employees Welfare Association. Only association name will be highlighted anywhere. It is not Kishore. I am only a Secretary General for a period of time. But association has 46 years of history, and it will be going ahead. It will march ahead. We have to see that the association reaches 100 years also. Even though we retire, we should be able to pass the baton to next generations also with the same atmosphere and with same energy levels. With this, I would like to conclude my speech, and once again, let us all together say, Jai Bhim! Jai Bhim! Jai Bhim! Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Rai. All the elected new body members, please be here only. Before they take the oath, we all should thank the election body members, our election officer Shri Rajesh Kumar ji AGM, and our observer Shri Krupakaran sir. Let us give a big round of applause for patiently and smoothly conducting the election process. Of course, there were some objections, but they were smoothly and without any problem solved by the election body members. So thank you to Krupakaran sir and to Rajesh Kumar ji. Now I request Jitendra ji to take oath of National President of All India Bank of Baroda SC/ST Employees Welfare Association. National Treasurer. अभी सुबह से बोल के मेरा भी जो है ना मैं भूल गया. So starting with the Jitendra bhai, National Treasurer. I'll take the name. I'll speak and you have to repeat. For example, you'll say your name, Jitendra Kumar, being elected as this thing, then hereby declare like that. So, I,
Jitendra Kumar,
being elected as
Treasurer,
hereby declare
that
I will abide by the rules and bylaws of our association, and at the same time strive for progress of our bank, our society and the nation, upholding the values and virtues of Baba Saheb and the constitution, along with other office bearers, committee members and rank and file. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
I, Jignesh Parmar,
being elected
as National President,
hereby declare
that
I will abide by the rules and bylaws
and bylaws
of our association, and at the same time strive for the progress of our bank, our society and the nation, upholding the values and virtues of Baba Sahab and the constitution, along with other office bearers, committee members and rank and file. Thank you. Congratulations. Now, Kishore bhai,
I,
name,
Kishore GJML,
being elected as
Secretary General,
hereby declare
that I will
abide by the rules and bylaws of our association, and at the same time strive for progress of our bank, our society and the nation, upholding values and virtues of Baba Sahab and the constitution, along with other office bearers, committee members and rank and file. Thank you, sir. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.